Cloning. Create pluggable database PDB2 from PDB1. Plugging in. Create an XML file. Create pluggable database PDB_plug_nocopy using /u01/app/oracle/oradata/pdb1.xml. Nocopy. Temp file reuse. Alter pluggable database PDB_plug_nocopy open. Read more here. How to distinguish you are in CDB or PDB. Once you logged in, you can check show con_name or con_ID will show you which DB you are in. How to connect to PDB from a CDB. In a container-enabled databases, once the PDB is created, a service will be automatically created on same name, for example PDB. 1. Either using TNS entries /sys **** at PDB as systba. 2. Log into CDB and then alter session set container equals PDB. 3. Ease connect method /+. How about the data file system, sysocs, undo, redo, etc.? Does they create when you create PDB? Data files are individual to each database for CDB and each PDB. Undo files and redo files are only one across container. Temp files can be created in each database or share one across all databases. SGA is shared across all databases. Background process are shared across all databases, no additional background process defined. As you said, if SGA and background process are shared, is there any performance impact? Ideally, this architecture is used for database consolidation projects which and where small databases are shared in a single database host and not that high critical applications running. This leverages the reduction in licensing cost and also resource utilization effectively. How does the data dictionary works to manage multiple database? For example, if I used PDB1 to select a query from EMP. There is nothing obvious here. Oracle just filters the data with con_ID, which is a container_ID for each database in the instance, and produce the results. Rest of the process is same. To understand this, check any $view or DBA_view. You will find the con_ID column which states that what database that row belongs to. This is something like VPD where the rows will be masked and present to the database users where they have privileges. Similarly, the rows will be shown only what database you have logged in. How about creating a user? Well, this is something you have to be careful. Normally you will use create user username identified by password. However, this does not work anymore. When you want to create a common user across all databases, for example, backup admin, you must use ## as prefix. Create user ## username identified by password will create common user across all databases. Create user ## username identified by password container equals current will create common user only at current container. Create user username identified by password container equals all does not work since the username does not contain ## prefix. Read more here. How does the data visibility in container databases works? Suppose when I logs as common user and want to verify the PDB information. For example, DBA_users, just filter with con_ID. Select username from DBA_users or con_ID equals 3. Note, CDB is 0, PDB$SED is 1, etc. How about AWR data? Does it common across all databases or individual to database? Well, that is why you have individual sysocs tablespace for each database. Whenever the AWR statistics collected, the statistics will be pushed respective databases, not the common sysocs. Since this will give you the ability to have self-contained database where if you plug this database to another instance, the statistics will not lost. So then, how to take a backup in multi-tenant database? Shall I take backup in RMAN? Does it take backup of all databases? Yes, if you use backup database, this will take all databases backup. To take the backup of only one particular DB, use backup pluggable database. Note, archive log backups will not be taken using pluggable database backup. Tell about RMAN enhancements? RMAN enhancements. Now you can select with RMAN. Table recovery made easy with RMAN. Image copies can now split into sections. Recover database using network from standby directly. Duplicate database now made easy. Roll forward standby using network service only, no need of incremental backups. Describe about major performance enhancements. Optimizer will not use dynamic plan changes while executing called adaptive query optimization. If any object missing the statistics or found stale during execution of plan, dynamic statistics, aka sampling, will be collected with new level 11. Optimizer now stores the execution information in SysOx tablespace about the individual object execution statistics and create directives called SQL plan directives, which can be used later execution to further optimize the statement. Clustering factor can be set according to the index skewness, not leaving to Oracle. CTAS now collect the statistics. Global temporary tables have private session statistics no more. It uses the one statistics for all, very useful for different batches run at same time. DBMS_stats now can show in report mode to tell how much does it take. List some partition enhancements. Truncate with cascade. You can move partitions online now. New package to maintain the partitions. Manage multiple partitions at one time. You can partially index. Indexing enhancements. Multiple indexes on same column, in fact invisible the other, bitmap and tree is possible on same column. Key limit alleviation. What are 12C ASM enhancements? Flex ASM, simple, you do not need 4 ASM instances for 4 nodes, 3 is enough as like scan. ASM metadata is now copied to multiple allocation units in the disk header. Replace disk command. Now you can create 511 disk groups, no more 64 limit. Now you can estimate the rebalance/resync operations. 12C stores password files in ASM. Check logical corruptions using disk scrubbing. Failure group _repair _time for whole group in contrast to disk group _repair _time. OCR backup now goes to ASM disk group. Grid infrastructure enhancements. Flex cluster, hub and leaf spoke technology, just to ensure to couple the application layer and database layer closely. IPv6 support, you can have IPv6 format and IPv4 format network attachments to cluster. Convert normal cluster to flex cluster. CRSCTL commands in eval mode. RAC enhancement. Application continuity, transaction guard, new API to protect the transaction state and reapply them in case service failure. New failover_type equals transaction when using application continuity. Global data services. SRVCTL evaluation mode. Security features. A wide range of auditing is enabled and all auditing details will be stored initially in memory tables and then flushed to unified_audit_trail. Unified auditing is a consolidated audit for database where all operations like RMAN backup/restores, exp/imp, general audits, GA will be collected and stored in unified_audit trail table instead of sys.aud $table, and this new table is placed SysOx tablespace. DBMS_privilege_capture procedure gives you the ability to monitor the privilege usage. Resource role does not contain the unlimited tablespace now. Select any dictionary privilege does not access the some sensitive tables like default_pwd $tables. Why does the sequence of the online redo logs change sporadically? If the next online redo log is still archived, while another redo log is available for overwriting again. This redo log becomes the next redo log. This changes the sequence of the online redo logs. This behavior is desirable because the alternative would be an archiver stuck. At least temporarily, this situation can only occur if several archive processes run in parallel and if they do not run again when the redo logs are archived. To avoid this problem, check if the archiver performance can be optimized, I/O tuning. Also, you must avoid an archiver stuck situation because of a fully run archive file system. This problem cannot occur if the number of archiver processes is limited to 1 by log_archive_max_processes. Where can I find an overview of the tasks of the background processes? At database level, you can get a good overview of the tasks of the background processes of the table $messages. Select dest background _ process. Description activity. From X $messages. Order by dest. Why are some Oracle errors not logged in the alert log? Oracle only logs critical errors in the alert log. Most of the Oracle error codes are not logged. Unfortunately, this may also include error codes that are genuinely critical. It is therefore normal for you to find errors in the Oracle application that are not displayed in the alert log. How can I prevent the alert log from becoming very large? Note 786032 describes how you can ensure the alert log remains within its limits by regularly renaming the file. What is the fastest query method to fetch data from the table? Row can be fetched from table by using rowid. Using row ID is the fastest query method to fetch data from the table. What is the importance of the Oracle Wallet feature? The Oracle Wallet feature is important because it allows for the secure storage of sensitive information, such as passwords, within the database. This means that the information is less likely to be compromised if the database is breached.